Lokelani's Rhythm Roti, Rami Grego.
How about a great big round of applause for these little munchkins up here? Thank you so much, lovely ladies. Go stand by the judges and take a picture. How adorable. Coming up is our beginners, Tamaroa, ages 5 to 7. Ages 5 to 7. In fourth place, number 17, Nonosina, Kyle Magote.
In third place, number 18, Hivakato Titus Napoleon.
In second place, number 20, Hiva Katoa, Tonia Napoleon. Aha, they must be brothers.
And in first place, number 19, Taiao Nalua. Treven Tuuao.
Treven Tuuao. Sounds like a Samoan name. Do we have Samoans in the house? Oh my God. Malo. Take it.
Advanced Tamahine ages 5 through 7 in third place. Contestant number 23, Manuia, Kaylin Yip.
How about another round of applause for our little munchkins going away with their trophies?
And here comes Kaylin Yip. Kaylin, is that you? Where are you? There she is.
Oh, how adorable. In second place, number 25, Hitia Otera, Megan Lantian. Megan! Woo! Oh, there she comes.
And in first place, contestant number 24, Vai Hao Nui, Peyton Jolie Lopez.
Oh yeah.
Like that pattern.
There she comes. How about a great big round of applause for these advanced Samahine 5 to 7. For these little cutie pies. Woo. Okay, advance in Tamaroa, ages 5 to 7. In first place, number 29, Nonosina, Kahanu Magote. Oh, he runs up here like a champ. Look at him. Come on, give it up for our #1 winner right here. Kahane. Oh, yeah. A round of applause for our first place. Take a picture. And for those of you wanting to know what's next, it's our beginners, Tamahine. Our beginners, Tamahine, ages 8 to 11. In fourth place, number 38, Taupo, Samoa, Kayomi Faupuina. Oh yeah, there she comes.
In third place, number 53, Nonosina. Ilovea Bradingham.
Oh yes, and in second place, number 55, Tahiti Nui, Julian Esteban.
And in first place, number 50, Nonosina Kailana Pori.
Once again, how about a great big round of applause for all our winners here? The beginners, Tamahine, ages 8 to 11. Congratulations to each and every one of you. All right, let's see them dance one more time. Wonderful job. Thank you so much. Take a picture time. Yee-hee. Coming up is our beginner, Tamaroa, in the age category of 8 to 11. We have our one and only first place, number 60, Taupo, Samoa, Rael
Asage or Asake.
Asanga. Okay. Asanga. There he is right there. Okay.
Ooh. Fancy. That's good.
Rael Asanga. All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, advanced Tamahine, ages 8 to 11. In fourth place, soloist number 65, Tahiti Nui, Aba Hoffman.
There she comes. And in third place, number 69, Nonosina, Ivana Moy.
In second place, number 79, Hitia Optera, Jazzy
And in first place, please put your hands together for number 70. Tahiti Nui, Kalea Minabe. Woo!
Happy.
Come on, give it up for these lovely ladies up here. How about another great big round of applause for our advanced Tamaitas, 8 to 11. Very nice, very nice. Advanced Tamaroa, ages 8 to 11. In fourth place, number 84, Kalakeke PIDC, Quinn Connors.
And in third place, number 87, Aloha Hula Diego Meda.
And in second place, number 86, Nonosina, Keone Timo.
And in first place, number 85, Temaroa Ori, McAnthony De Castro.
Oh my God. Wonderful. Awesome, awesome. Beginner Vahine, ages 12 to 15. In fourth place, number 97, Le Polynesia, Brooke Lawson.
In third place, number 105, Tevarua Ori, Aram Carroll.
In second place, number 96, Nonosina, Kira Rutland.
And in first place, number 102, Tahiti Nui, Kayla Long.
There you have it, our beautiful, lovely ladies. And our beginners, those are our beginners in the ages of 12 to 15. While they take their picture, this next group is, actually one, is our beginner Tane in the ages 12 to 15. In first place, 108, Tahiti, with Tahiti Bishop Henson. Tamatoa Henson. Is Bishop here?
There he is, he's coming.
You coming around the mountain?
When
Okay.
she comes,
Coming around the mountain.
She'll be coming around the mountain.
Punch it home. How about another great big round of applause for number 108 with Tahiti, Bishop Henson. Don't forget tomorrow, for all of you that are in first place, you must check in at 7:30. You will be dancing for the overall. Tomorrow morning you will be first up to bat. 12 and over only. 12 and over only. Don't forget. In first place. Coming up is our advanced fajitas in ages 12 to 15. In fourth place, number 133, Tevarua Ori, Jaden DeCastro.
In third place, number 136, Kavaile Hua, Mishka Javier.
And in second place, we've got number 122, Taupo Samoa, Serona Solia.
And in first place, contestant number 131, Marcina Courtney Messi. All the group leaders, if you would like to get your score sheets, you can pick them up at the back office to the right hand, my right hand side, your left hand side of the bleachers.
All right, coming up is our advanced Tane, ages 12 to 15. In second place, number 143, Tupua, Gerald Manai, Leuta Ulu.
And in first place, number 144, Tevarua Ori, Anthony Sperry.
Take a picture, take a picture. All right, congratulations again. Our beginner Mahinas in ages 16 to 20 in fourth place. Number 160, Hiva Katoa, Cheyenne, 'Cheyenne, 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 'Cheyenne,
51, Raul Tamanui, Desiree Razo.
There she comes all the way from over yonder. And in second place, number 156, Nonosina, Nikki Moshina.
And in first place, number 157, Namenzo Tefare Angeline Noguera.
Okay.
Namenzo Tefare Angeline Noguera.
Lovely, congratulations again. Our beginner Tanes, ages 16 to 20. In fourth place, we got 169, Tahiti, Chris Barba. From the group Tahiti, Chris Barba.
And in third place, contestant number 167, Tupua John Daskalakis.
Also, well, in second place, number 170, representing the group Tupua, Anderson McAfee.
And in first place, contestant number 168, Violanese Polynesian dancers, Alvin Reyes.
All right, come on, give them a great big round of applause. Great job, guys. Nice. Oh, that was nice. They got to dance with one of our beautiful judges there. Advance, our next category is Advance Mahine, ages 16 to 20. In fourth place, number 174, Aloha Hula, Kayla De Castro.
In third place, number 187, Tupua, Juliette Bassnet.
In second place, number 190, Tevarua Ori, Arani Santos.
And in first place, number 197, Tahiti Nui Maile Sharfaros.
Oh yeah. Once again, these are our advanced Bahinas, ages 16 to 20. Congratulations. you so much. Congratulations, lovely ladies. Take a picture, take a picture. Woo! Coming up, it's our advanced Tane in the age 16 to 20. We didn't do it. It's our sound man. Okay.
There's the hot dog.
Advanced Tane ages 16 to 20 in 4th place. Numbers 205 with the group Tahiti, Justin Salangsan.
Number 206, Rautamanui, Lassen Janilia.
In 2nd place, number 207, Nonosina, Kona.
Eric Kona, where are you, Eric Kona? And in 1st place, number 259, Tepakanui, Po'ama Alifua.
Oh yeah, take a picture, gotta take a picture. Picture! Coming up is our beginner Wahines, ages 21 to 25. And in 4th place, number 223. Hailey's Polynesian Review, Sherry Ayoso. Oh yeah.
In 3rd place, number 221, Tahiti Nui Kylie Taitano.
In 2nd place, number 224, Tetama Mahoi, Fatima, Melissa, Segura Reyes, Fatima Reyes.
And in 1st place, number 211, Nonosina, Alyssa Hansen.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, Romeo, you looking good, brother. You still got it, Romeo. All right, our beginner Tane. This is in the same age category of 21 to 25. In 1st place only, please put your hands together for 227, Tebarua Ori, McAllen DeCastro. Thank you so much. Imagines, ages 21 to 22. In fourth, and 25, 21 to 25, I'm sorry. In fourth place, soloist number 244, Norosina, Jessica Munoz.
In third place, number 237, Nonosina, Anika Quiñones.